That's right, motherfucker. The champ is back in town. Yeah, I know. I know. Well, I don't know about that. You got it. The town is set aflames, my friend. Children are picking flowers in his honor. The streets are flowing with tears of joy. The people are...
We are down to the final two contestants. If Bateman spells this word correctly, he will win the National Spelling Bee Championship. Bateman, your word is recrudescence.
Can I have the definition, please?
To break out anew or come into renewed activity.
Will you use it in a sentence, please?
When David returned home, he quickly fell into a state of recrudescence. Recrudescence.
Recrudescence. R-E-C-R-U-D-E-S-C-E-N-C-E. Recrudescence.
That is correct.
Alright, cock that gun, bitch, because I'm sending out some pigeons.
Do we have to do this right now?
Coagulability.
Could you use it in a sentence, please?
Shut the fuck up and spell the word.
Coagulability. C-O-A-G-U-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. Coagulability.
Yes, that's right. That's perfect. Oh my god. Man, I missed you, man.
Yeah, I missed you too.
How about we're done with the spaghetti reunion, we go home and we play some Street Fighter 2?
Now, I'm looking for the Beethoven movie with the girl from The Nanny. And that's either the first Beethoven or the second Beethoven. But don't get that confused with Beethoven Second, which is actually the third in the series. And I've never seen that one. But, well, do you have that one too? Because, well, forget it. I'll just check them all out. It's been a couple years, and maybe she was in all of them. Actually, I think scheduling conflicts with the nanny prohibited her from being in the third one. But maybe not. Do you know? So do you have it? Is it in the computer? Hello?
What? I'm confused.
Beethoven, the dog, with the girl with the braces from the nanny?
Well, our animal program's over there.
No, this is a feature. I'm gonna have to go to the family section and find it for myself. Butthole.
That guy's always a dick. Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Well, it looks as though you only have Beethoven's Fifth, but you do have an animated feature called Beethoven Jr., which I didn't even know existed, but was pleased to find. Well, no thanks to you.
Well, we're sorry about that, Mr. Knightley. We'll go ahead and put on Beethoven Jr. on the house for your convenience.
Well, I'm going to have to go work out right now at the gym. But if you could put that on reserve for me, that'd be great. And be sure to let the next person who's working know what the situation is, because I'll be back in 3 hours.
Will do. Will do. Hey, come on, man. I tried to twist old man Stevens' balls for you to get this job. So put your game face on, all right?
All right. Word.
Oh, shit. That reminds me. Rhonda talked to Pauline tonight, and it's gravy, baby. We're going to have to... Come on, man. I'm trying to get you laid, motherfucker.
Yeah, I know. It's just... I don't want to...
Listen. You got to put your fancies on, okay? It's on.